So I was in my 30s when I kind of happened upon community health centers, and I happened upon the CEO of Mosaic and was in conversation and realized that I had grown up going to a community health center. And so I grew up, my mom was a pretty disturbed mother, single mom who struggled a lot with mental health. We were homeless for a few years when I was young, and we ended up finally in a stable apartment, and nearby was a community health center. So we kind of happened over there, and I ended up going to that health center from when I was 4 to 18. And when I was talking to our CEO, Megan, several years ago, I realized that was not just a independent private clinic that I somehow stumbled in on, that this was part of a national movement. And I had already been working for nonprofits for a couple decades and had a public health degree, and I fell in love with the health center movement, knowing how much it helped my mother and I. And so I often, I tell all of our new employees that I would not be here today if it wasn't for a community health center. And the care that we give at Mosaic is what I viscerally remember as a child at that health center. And then my mother, at the end of her life, she died 2 years ago, was taken care of by a health center. She lived in a senior affordable housing complex in inner city Seattle. And the care that she got, that I was able to experience was exactly, with nuances, but the care and love she got, I know is what we provide at Mosaic. So I often say, how could I not fall in love with the health center movement and know it is something that is life-changing?